Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, power down both PC and monitor, then unplug everything. Once done, remove the monitor cable and note the ports: display port, HDMI, or DVI, because compatibility matters. Open the PC case after grounding yourself, use an anti-static strap, or touch a metal surface to discharge. Remove the existing graphics card retention screw and gently unlock the PCIe clip. Make sure to keep screws and any adapters handy. You will need them in the next step to swap cards cleanly and safely. You now remove the old GPU, unplug all auxiliary power connectors, and lift the card straight out while supporting its weight. Inspect the PCIe slot for debris, then position the new graphics card so its gold contacts align with the slot. Push evenly until the PCIe retention clip engages. Do not force at an angle. Reattach the bracket screw and plug in the 6/8-pin power cables. Make sure connectors click. Once mechanically installed, reconnect the monitor to the new card to prepare for software steps. You finish by powering up and checking for post. If the screen stays blank, reboot into safe mode and remove old drivers before installing new ones. Install the latest driver package from the GPU maker, then restart and set resolution and refresh rate to match your monitor. Use 6:9 or 16:9 aspect settings as needed. Test with a simple benchmark or game to confirm stability. If problems persist, reseat the card, reset BIOS, and check power connectors. This single step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.